Flaxseeds is the vegetarian source of omega-3 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids are EPA and DHA. Has a very long icosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. These are your two. Fish oils generally give you direct EPA and DHA. Whereas what you get from flaxseed oil is linoleic acid. And linoleic acid has to be converted to EPA and DHA. Very recently it's been found that our conversion to EPA and DHA from linoleic acid is very, very low. So if it's omega-3s that you're after, and you're not that concerned about what is non-veg, then I would suggest you go for fish oil. Only thing is go with good brands because fish oil will got the problems of mercury poisoning that you have in the sea. So good certificate, they will have a certificate saying mercury free. And they will also be entering coating. Entering coating is necessary in fish oil because you have those fishing boats. Entering coating will seal it with the fish oil gel caps, they dissolve in the gut. And you don't have the fishing on later on. But for omega-3, fish oil 100 times better than flaxseed.
Is there a certain advisable age for people to take supplements? Because there are like 16, 17 year olds taking.
So there are 16, 17 year olds?
Yeah, who take like supplements or people to take. So is that unhealthy or?
There are 2 year olds to 3 year olds take Farex and Cerelac. They start off supplements at that age. What do you mean by supplement? What do you mean by supplement? Something that represents food, engineered food, a well-balanced, well-constructed food with all the nutrition inside. Just simply as you've got formulas for babies, you've got supplements for adults. Okay? That depends again. Is your protein requirement being met by your diet for your lifestyle? So if you are a competitive swimmer or you are a sprinter or somebody who's 60 years old but competing at the under 16 national levels, then 6 hours of practice that you're doing, all of that requires you to have a certain quantum of protein. Then there is this question, are supplements necessary? Supplements are not necessary. Certain quantum of macros are necessary. Certain quantum of protein is necessary. Certain quantum of carbohydrates that is necessary. Certain quantum of fats is necessary. Are you getting that from food? If you're not getting that from food, get it from a supplement. Am I a magician? Am I a magician? No, but people think retailers are magicians. Because they can't just think, मैं वेजिटेरियन है, ठीक है, इतना पनीर खाएगा, पागल नहीं तो पनीर खाएगा, नहीं खाएगा, ठीक है, इतना तो वेपुर खाएगा, वेपुर नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं खाएगा, तो कैसे पनीर मस्त? How? That's why I said, am I a magician? No, because if you're not going to take the requisite amount of first-class protein from animal sources, you're not willing to take paneer in the right quantity, you're not willing to take whey protein supplements also. So no. Then you actually think I'm a magician. Because how must you build for the right quantity of protein? So I said, it's not possible. Alright? I said to you, how do you मैंने तो आपको बोल दिया मेरा क्या है ये नहीं खाएगा ये नहीं खाएगा नहीं खाएगा बना नहीं वो अच्छा ये सब नहीं खाएगा ये ऑप्शन है ये वो नहीं बना नहीं वो that means that you are treating us like magicians. If you are overweight, then how many calories you intake? How many is 2,000 calories? Okay. But if you are overweight, then how many calories you intake? Okay. First of all, don't count in terms of calories, count in terms of grams of macros, and most better. Okay, so protein grams, carbohydrate grams. Now the first thing that you do whenever you are deciding your macronutrient intake, the first thing that you do is fix your protein requirement first. Now let's assume that you are 100 kilos and you are overweight. Okay, and you are fat, more 30%, 40% body fat. Your BMI, okay, would suggest that your body weight, the BMI would suggest that your body weight, ideal body weight would be 75. At least take the ideal body weight, not 100, but take the ideal body weight 75. And if you're starting out weight putting, just starting out your weight training right now, and you're beginner weight training, at least putting 1.5 grams per kg of ideal body weight. Whatever the concept might be. See, an obese person is generally around 40% fat, generally. Okay, so 100 kilos, you can take 60 kilos as this lean body weight, and 40 kilos is body fat. 60 kilos into 1.5 kilos, 90 grams of that. I would round it off to 100 grams protein. Per day. And that's total, and that's the bare minimum. If his intensity increases, it becomes 2 grams per kg of body weight. If the person is athletic, and the person is advanced, the entire body is multiplied into as his bare minimum protein intake. That's why I'm saying people are unnecessarily worried about excess. Just getting the right content every day is so beneficial. And even excess, there is not a single, this is what I had a meeting with my dietitians that ULIFE is the company, is the biggest importer of supplements for India. Now obviously ULIFE's entire business depends on education, because there is so much of dogma and fear against supplements. If we don't educate, and we don't have a portfolio of dietitians, so there are these dietitians who say, so we went to a seminar and we were asked about protein and its correlation with kidney damage. Okay? Protein and its correlation with liver damage. The ball has to be thrown into the court of the people asking these questions by giving them an open challenge. I will tell you, if you go to NCBI, okay, your entire website will have tons and tons of research. Okay, I will give all of your project to right now. Whoever is interested, please do the project and get back to me. You have to get my email ID from Tariq. Okay? My open challenge to you. Find me one study, and you find lots of studies that have attempted to find a link. Find me one study that has linked protein to organ damage. And you will find none. That is my complete and total guarantee. Bad journalism, newspaper articles, so and so, game changed. Went to so and so hospital, game changed. Had this problem because of protein powders. Anything to do with protein powders, and they talk about damage, and they talk about injuries, and they talk about osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. We bodybuilders should be crumbling into sand. Done. There should be not a single bodybuilder without a fracture. Kidney stones. There is this next to my category, there is RG stone. It is a specialized hospital for kidney stones. Diabetes is nothing but kidney stones. मैंने सुना है प्रोटीन पाउडर किडनी स्टोन है. जाओ RG stone जाओ वहाँ पे and look at the multitude number of people with kidney stones and find me one patient who is apparently taking more than 50 grams of protein a day. And find me one patient over there in the hospital who actually has whey protein supplements. And you find none. Wow. And here to anatomy I know. But people love hearing that. You know, after I had my protein shake was my face and I've been having it like now 15 years and there is no protein shake that tastes good for me. Okay? And when we give people protein shakes also, protein shakes with flavors around the achha. Bananas and cream, strawberries and cream, but nothing tastes like strawberries, nothing tastes like bananas. It is not something people enjoy. Plus it is expensive. Okay? So if you like if you're spending your trainer, your dietitian making you spend $7,000 for a protein powder. You like the post to say, "Mat ke some waste of money and the hell like that." But you really want to have. So you love the idea. There is this harm in money, right? Alcohol. Shit, I can't believe I forgot that magazine. There was a magazine right now. These health magazines were being trend. Crunch magazine. Buy it only for entertainment purpose. It was one time rubbish. It has got most English rights, whatever garbage over it. Okay, and there's a new trend now. For quite a few fitness people, they know that potatoes are bad. Okay, the potatoes are very fat. So now these journalists who are there, they have these time again these articles which are like, which are potato. Some लोग गाली देते हैं. इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. Benefits of potatoes. एक आर्टिकल देते हैं. Poor family feeling so bad. So potatoes feeling very bad. Everybody says potatoes bad, potatoes bad. हम लोग अच्छा नहीं करते पोटैटो बुरा है. अच्छा नहीं किया. So then we had an article. benefits of potatoes. Potatoes are not a bad guy. So this is a nutrient, and where is rubbish to start with the repetitions of food. But potatoes are seen as so many food items like potatoes, which have no bearing on your health, no bearing on your existence, no bearing on, it is not required. It is there because we like the taste. So entertainment purpose, that is its only purpose. There is no illness that we get of, there is no pathology where potatoes are push. Acha hoega, heal hoega. There are no healing properties to that food. Nothing.
So is there any good exercise routine that a person suffering from acid reflux can follow?
I suffer from acid reflux, I still suffer from acid reflux. From forever since I can remember. I told you I even went through surgery. Of course, the food medication was not lasted through my intra-abdominal pressure, so my problems started again. But there is no exercise routine, or rather, let's just say there is no exercise that is contraindicated, except for exercises that could cause a lot of intra-abdominal pressure that could cause a problem, because the reflux could be complicated by high-class heights. That could happen. But then it all depends on what the work was. So I don't stop my heavy lifting for that. Yes. Any particular food? What I found is once you're prone to hypersensitivity, actually, yes, we all know the caffeine and all that causes a problem. But once you're prone to hypersensitivity, almost any food causes a problem. And secondly, I was not really doing now the acidic foods, so-called acidic foods, and the protein-rich foods. I was not doing it because I lost deficiency of protein in my body, just so that I would be better off with symptoms of acid reflux. So that I have a comfortable life where I look like this. So I can do that. And that was one of the things that when you ask for healing. See, the best of doctors will tell you that you understand only 60% of the body. Medical science don't understand 60% of the body. Still, every now and then you learn new things. Certain things are not cured. What do you mean by cured? If supposing I say this is a problem I face every time I lift weights, don't lift weights. This is a problem I face every time I climb stairs, don't climb stairs. This is not a solution. When I am considered to be healed or cured, when I can climb stairs, the problem does not happen again. That is what complete healing is. Otherwise, what the baby do है, कभी भी climbing stairs का काम दुखता है. वो तो मेरे को भी सब होता है, कभी different चीज़ है, दुखता है. Yeah, you don't climb stairs. Because pain is very climb stairs. But to find out what is wrong, why is pain you see while climbing stairs, resolving that. So I can start climbing stairs again, and that's the full recovery.
How can you recover if you have metronome, echo, or endomorph?
Who's that? Yeah. How do you recover the person's ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph? First of all, tell me your views on what is the ectomorph, what is the important ectomorph? A skinny person. So what do you do? Last person when he's skinny or what do you do? You understand that a very skinny person is an ectomorph, right?
Yeah.
So when you see a very skinny person, you are looking at an ectomorph. It's as simple as that. What is an endomorph? Okay, what about you? Is it an endomorph, mesomorph, or endomorph? You know the answer. Okay, Kumar Gaurav. Who's that tall fellow that very tall? What is he? Perfect. Then